おはこんばんちは。むんちゃんです。ペッピーです。In this lesson, we are gonna learn Japanese grammar, toki. Here we go! ペッピー、バスを降りるとき、そのボタンを押すよ。これ？ワクワク。たい焼き屋さんがある。
次、止まります。
降ります。あれ？たい焼き屋さんがない。プンプン。ここはどこ？Then let's learn this grammar. Okay. Toki. When. An example sentence. 降りるとき、ボタンを押します。Then let's learn how to make a sentence with toki. First, take a look at this sentence. Now let's translate this into Japanese.You need to put these Japanese phrases in correct order, but it's simple. All you need to do is to put a main clause at the end, the other event at the beginning, and toki in the middle. That's it. Also, in this grammar, the tense of the verb in the blue box tells you which action A or B happens first.When the verb in the blue box is in plain form, which is present tense, the event B happens first. Event B happened, then event A happened. On the other hand, if the verb is in term form, the event A happens first. Event A happened, then Event B happened. Here's how to connect toki with parts of speech. Tense doesn't matter in noun sentences or adjective sentences. 10 example phrases. 寝るとき電気を消してください。日本に行ったとき着物を買いました。
暇なとき何してる？
新しい言葉。わかるかな？これは何ですか？バスを降りる。ボタンを押す。たい焼き。見てくれてありがとう。If you like this video, please subscribe. またね。If you'd like to learn more Japanese grammar, check the left one. And if you'd like to learn Japanese kanji, check the right one. Bye!